Leo Terrell, civil rights attorney and Fox News contributor. Leo, you've been listening to the conversation and Laura Ingalls' report. What's your response? What's your reaction to all of this today?
The big question, Martha, is why? Why the Marine and not the other individuals who helped him? I mean, why weren't they charged for anything? They weren't charged at all. And Martha, I would submit to you, I hate to say it, I would submit to you that the far left, Alvin Bragg, is the classic we want to play the race car situation. You can't ignore the fact that this Marine is white. You can't ignore the fact that the victim is black. And you mentioned it earlier, 27 other individuals who have lost their life down there at the subway, but no action. Why? Yeah. And this is the ugliest of the race card being played, and this Marine is being the sacrificial lamb, and I find it offensive.
Yeah, we see it so much. We see it in the violence that we see in our cities, and when young black children are killed by other young black children, nobody pays any attention to it, and no politicians scream and yell about it. And it's sad to me because, as I said, there have been a lot of other individuals, and those other homeless individuals who lost their lives on the subway, they are somebody's daughter or sister or family member as well. But in this case, because of the circumstances, you're going to see everybody all over this case. And this is Lennon Edwards, who is the Neely family attorney earlier today. Watch this.
How is someone allowed to be on the subway in New York City and be assaulted for 15 minutes straight and never receive any help, never receive any assistance? The MTA needs to answer for that.
Leo, your thoughts on that?
See, this is a classic. Martha, you know, New York City is run by a black mayor. You know, and so the inference that, you know, this services are not being provided to this individual and others in that situation, Chicago, L.A., New York, there's a common thread. A black mayor running these cities, and yet there's a problem with getting these types of mental services to these individuals? No, they're being ignored, Martha. They're actually being ignored. The minority community is being ignored by people who are running the city, and that's the problem right now.
Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, there's a legal process that has to play out here, and that needs to take course, absolutely. And we will watch both sides of it. But what is very clear already is that it's a failure of the city to keep people in the subways safe, to keep things, to keep people who aren't safe to themselves off the street, which I know the mayor has said he wants to do. I don't know why this person, who was obviously a focus of a ton of attention and a lot of law breaking, was not in that program yet. So that is something that needs to be answered for. Leo, thank you very much. It's always good to see you. And I also want to mention that Judge Janine is going to interview Daniel Penny's attorneys on Monday. So we will watch that closely as well. Leo Terrell, thank you very much.
Hi, everyone. I'm Brian Kilmeade. I want you to do me a favor. I want you to click to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page. This is the only way that I know for sure that you're not going to miss any great commentary, any great news bites, any great interviews coming your way on Fox. You can get it all here on YouTube. So subscribe right now.